Okay, so today we're going to look at, what if I give you a table and I want you to write an expression? Okay, so on your worksheet, the side that says reteach, that's what side you should be on. And we're going to look at number 1. Okay, so what is it going up by? So the value of term, actually, cross out number 1. I don't like number 1. We're on to number 2.
Wait, is it 11-1?
We're looking at the function rules reteach. Yeah, 11-1.
Not number 1?
Not number 1. Look at number 2. So on number 2, the position means in what order in the sequence. So they just gave me a list of numbers, 5, 10, 15, 20, and they want me to figure out what it is. So Nico says this is 25. But now what if I said, what's the 100th term? Are you going to want to continue it out for 100 terms?
No.
No. So we want to come up with an expression we can use. Those of you that are drawing on your paper and doing other things, you don't know what you're supposed to be doing, so I don't know what you're trying to do on your paper. Okay, you're doing something that you're not supposed to be doing, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to stop and pay attention.
15.
So, if I look from the 5 to 10, what am I going up by?
5.
By 5. From 10 to 15. 5. 15 to 20.
5.
Okay, so whatever this is going up by, we're going to place it with a number with the n. So whatever this value of term is going by, that goes with an n. We can write it as 5n because that means to multiply. Remember, when it's just a number and a letter, it means to multiply. Okay, we're not done yet. Because we need to check, is that all they're doing? So I need to check, and I need to take 1 and sub it in for my n. So what is 1 times 5? 5. What is 2 times 5? 10. 3 times 5? 15. 4 times 5? 20. Okay? So this would be my expression. Alright, so let's look at number 3. Looking at my value of term, what is this going up by? 1. Going up by 1 each time.
And then you put 15 in.
So what do I do?
Put 15 in the box.
Well, not yet. How do I write my expression? I don't have an expression yet. 1n. But now I need to check. So I need to take 1 times 4. Because I'm saying, what if n is 4? So what's 1 times 4? 4. They have 11 here. So how do I get from 4 to 11? What could I add to 4 to get to 11? 7. So let's check. So if I take 1 times 5, 5 plus 7, does that give me 12? Yes, 5 plus 7 would give me 12. If I took 1 times 6 plus 7, that gives me 13. 1 times 7 plus 7?
14.
Okay, so what would come next? 15. If this was the next term that we were looking for. Okay, since they're looking for n, they also want this expression.
1n plus 7.
Okay? Questions on that? Levante, you got it copied? Thanks, you're on to do some of these by yourself. Flip it over to the back. So 2 to 3, what's it going by? 1. 3 to 4. 1. 4 to 5. Levante, you should be copying this down just like I am doing. Do you have the ones written down? Quit messing around with your pencil and write it down. I will wait, Levante.
Math.
Okay, so since this is going by 1, what do I do with my 1?
1
1 n. Can I leave it like that?
No.
No. Adrian and Gavin, are you paying attention? You have a test on Friday over this. Quit messing around. Okay, so I've got 1n, but now I need to check it. So I'm taking this number that's in front of my n, timesing it with this number. So what's 1 times 5?
5.
So how do I get from 5 to 2? So Braden thinks subtract 3. Let's check. If I take 1 times 6 minus 3, do I get 3? If I take 1 times 7 minus 3, do I get 4? If I take 1 times 8 minus 3, do I get 5? Okay, so that would be my expression that I'm looking for.
But what's afterwards?
Well, that would be your expression right here. That's when it says n, that's what you're looking for. Nope. Because this says n, we don't want to figure out what comes next. We want to know the expression to figure out what n is. Nope.
Can we do it though? Or no?
I wouldn't. I would do the expression. Okay. So I want you